Pandas returns separate DataFrame values based on function. I have two DataFrames, df1 are locations of places and df2 are locations of stations. I am trying to find a more efficient way to apply a distance function to find which stations are within a certain range and return the station's name. If the distance function is a latitude difference of plus or minus 1, this is my expected outcome. I have a solution that uses a Cartesian product cross-join to apply a function on a single data frame. This solution works, but I have millions of rows in a true dataset, which makes a Cartesian product very slow. I have also tried a looping approach with iteros, but that is slower than the cross-join method. Is there a more Pythonic efficient way to achieve what I am looking for?
Maybe it is faster. After sorting, you can use search sorted. Ix is the nearest station lat. Index, or ix plus 1 is this. Maybe you need to duplicate the last row in df2, see the search sorted doc, to avoid over-indexing it. The use applied with this custom function. Edit, because in a dist, it is assumed that df2.index is ordered and monotonic increasing. See row.ix plus 1, the first code line must be corrected. And dist is somewhat faster that way, but doesn't beat the Cartesian product method.
How about a lambda? Output. Edit. Here's a second solution. Note, this also uses abs, since equals -1 and is lower than or equal to 1 seems redundant. Or, in list comprehension form. Output.
You can use pdcat function to specify proper intervals in which latitudes are contained and simply merge two data frames to obtain the result. This solution is slightly faster than yours. 10.2 milliseconds plus or minus 201 s per loop versus 12.2 milliseconds plus or minus 1.34 ms per loop.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.